noodles. I added my already cooked broccoli and stir, and topped it up with the fried egg. I adjusted with some seasonings, then mixed together to combine. Cover the pot and let it simmer for like a minute and be mindful not to overcook the veggies. Some minutes now, we are checking on the pot, take off the cover and stir once more. And our delicious vegetable noodles is ready. The aroma from this pot is nose binding and the taste is heavenly.
Belly they turn, stomach they rumble. When there's reason in your belly, my dear, you can't withstand.